Hello, welcome to our PG Entertainment. Today, I'm happy that I will unpack the new SG 108 microphone from Shenggu. This is the external microphone or the shotgun microphone that you can use on your DSLR camera or video recorder, rather than using the onboard microphone. So this should give you a better stereo sounding quality for your video.
So guys, this Shenggu SG 108 probably is the cheapest shotgun microphone you can get in the market. You can get it anywhere from $25 to $35 a piece. So this microphone comes with Chinese and English instruction manual. It is supplied with a CR2 battery, a portable cloth bag, and of course the microphone unit. It also comes with a microphone windscreen, which you can optionally wrap around your mic. You can use it to reduce breath or unwanted wind noise. Here's the close-up look of the battery. It is a 3 volts battery that can last up to 800 hours. Now let's put the battery inside the unit. So this is your power on-off switch. You can place this on top of the flash hat shoe. In my case, I put it on top of my pocket wizard. This should be compatible with any camera with 3.5mm microphone socket. So now the microphone is ready for action. For optimal result, you can play with your camera's microphone volume setting.
Hello, this is a test recording of microphone from the back.
Hello, this is a test recording of microphone from the side.
Hello, this is a test recording of microphone from the front. So thank you for watching my video, and I'm using the microphone right now. So hope you can hear the difference. So please comment down below, like my video, subscribe, and see you guys next time.